Ayan ang largo, Chris Golden, dapat nagtiyong problema. Baybayang varios bihapadia. I-decided by Dr. Dicas.
He just kind of blew it off as, oh, you had a Diet Coke this morning, so that's what's causing you to go to the bathroom.
Pero el problema a progresa. La wurde diagnosticado hyperplasia di prostat benigno.
Apparently my prostate was something like 10 or 12 times the normal size, and we couldn't figure it out.
Ta conosci que alrededor de 50% di hende homber di 50 anos para arriba ta corre el riesgo de sufrir de grandura di prostat.
I think the important part is making sure that you're seeing someone who is able to assess those symptoms and offer you the correct procedure. Once the patient is under anesthesia and is completely asleep, I put a little small camera through the urethra into the prostate, and then I use a laser to essentially remove those enlarged sections of the prostate. It really allows for massive amounts of urinary improvement.
Ito procedura como el Golden a decidir pahasi. Y da calma su sintomanan.
He definitely improved, and I'm definitely rested more, and it's definitely a plus.
Mita Fabiola Angela-Hernandez, Patria Noticia.